Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday. Oh, I have something special to talk about for tomorrow, but you're going to have to wait till tomorrow to find out what's going on here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. And no, it's not the live. I'm still working on the equipment. The equipment is fine. It's connecting to Facebook. All right. Last night, I had a little bit of fun and did Jamaican style tilapia. Something seemed off in the recipe, so I did a little bit of research, and I was right. Not enough spices. So I added my jerk seasoning to the mix, both the marinade and the flour dredge. And I did that wonderful sweet potato. Great meal, fun. I will get the tilapia recipe up for you to have fun with. All right, tonight, the culinary expedition continues. We're going to Saudi Arabia. I learned a lot about Saudi Arabia during the first Gulf War. I personally did not serve in Saudi Arabia, but I did have many friends who did go over there. Let's just say culture shock. I'm just going to say that. It's definitely a different place. All right. The Saudi Arabian dish that I am doing tonight actually goes back to the ancient trade routes. This is a vegetarian version because you can actually make this with beef, chicken, and camel. Now, I have no idea where to get camel meat. But, yeah. Like I said, this is a vegetarian version. This is Arabian Stew. I look forward to this. I did a bunch of research, which I'll share with you a little bit after this video is posted. Again, something didn't look right, and it was again the spices. So yeah. All right, let's get to it. All right, and the software. And there's more of her. Oil, eggplant, large onion, some tomatoes, and you can use canned or fresh. I have this leftover can, so I'm going to be using the can. There's 2 garlics in this, which one is puzzling me a little bit. Unpeeled garlic and minced garlic. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. These are leftovers. They've been in the refrigerator in their juices. Some sugar. Tomato paste. Here's the spices. Let's see what I got here. Cumin, coriander, Indonesian cinnamon, green cardamom, ground up. And this one, I actually roasted this one. A little bit of mint. There's some lemon juice and some red wine vinegar. And I'm going to be serving this with basmati rice. Apparently, my research says this is a must. And the 2-cup measure cup is for water. I'll be using water, not stocks or broths. So that's my fun for the day. Man, I have prepared more eggplant in the last few weeks. But hey, that's okay. It's okay. Luckily, I like eggplant. And I'm getting pretty used to, prepping it, cooking, doing that whole thing. I sort of have the ants under control. My kitchen is the cleanest it's been. Not that my kitchen was dirty. I mean, you've seen photos of my kitchen or video. My kitchen's not dirty. But I think I almost. We had a real hot day yesterday. But yeah. I got a lot done yesterday. But my back. Oof. All right. On this Tuesday, which happens to be Taco Tuesday, just not here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen, go get some tacos from your favorite taqueria. I know I always say that, but the taquerias have the best. Yeah. All right, so on this Tuesday, looking at Mortimer, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.